They were found in a shack, that empty shack that the owner wasn't there. And the owner of the shack accosted them inside the shack. And then the deceased ran away. They were there to take some goods for themselves. And then this 15-year-old then hid himself under the bed in the shack. And whilst the owner was chasing this one, and then which apparently accosted him and then was dead. Which we were looking for him was murder. That's murder. Yes.
Bafethu lona nguNhlamulo Sambo waseGiyani kwisadla seLimpopo. He was only 19 years old, younger than my own daughter. Kuvele into yoba kuthe kubhizi kumatshwa eWestern Cape kwisadla seMossel Bay. Wahlatywa watshona. Ndazama ukuyinambitha lento. Kwavela into ethi ke kwaba khona ukuxambuliswano oluthile waze wahlatywa watshona. Kuthe kungephi ndadibana nevideo kamama wakhe ndambona umfazi osenhlungwini. Ndicela ukugqithisa into ethi beke sesemncinci. May his soul rest in peace. Kubhlungu bafethu. Condolences to the family. Angange ndiyithatshe into yakhona because ndiyaba nayo into ethi ndiyarhalela ukuva from kwisadla amapolisa ke ngoku into ba bazathi kwenzeke ntoni because bendingayiva ncam yona. I did not touch on it. Abuyile bafethu amapolisa nento ethi ukuhlatywa kwakhe ukutshona kwakhe had nothing to do with iMarch and March, had nothing to do with i-protest, had nothing to do with iMarch ibisenzeka eMossel Bay. Kukhona nalapho bengeke ndadibana khona nestory esithi bebekelele engathi ayiwafikelwa ngabantu bafike bamhlaba ya istory sakhona nje. So ikhona into engathi njalo. Amapolisa ayidismissile lonto leyo. Bafethu ndicela into banazi le ayo yokuqala, le ayo yokugqibela apho bezazama khona ukungcolisa lento esibhizi ngayo. South Africans, by now, I would like to honestly believe into yoba sesiyabazi indlela abasebenza ngayo. Enye basezawuzenza nezinye izinto bazame ukuziphina kwabantu, bazame ukuziphina kwezi organizations singavumi. Masingafufi nomoya, masingafufi nje nento edlulayo. South Africans, kuvele into yoba ke kwaluthwa kwisadla se-escort. Bafuna ukuyiphina kwiMarch and March. Yavela into ethi hayi ngabahlali ebebekwatile after icourt yathatha isigqibo esingakange sibe mnandi kubahlali. That did not necessarily have much to do with iMarch and March. Kuyabuya kuvela lena zisezaba khona bafethu into esizawuphinde zibe zenzeke ezinye zibe deliberate bezenze ngamabomu just in the name of ukudenta lento esibhizi yiyo. Ndicela nivula amehlo South Africans. Ningasaqhathwa zinto ezingasile because le into bese ndiyibona futhi lapha ku social media into yoba ifuna ukusdivide. Bese ndiyibona lapha ku social media into yoba because ngumtsonga ne bese ikhona into ethi from kwisadla amatsonga into yoba okay so that means yonke lento iyi-enemy yamantsonga. Yonke lento lena does this mean now mabahambe bephethene nama-IDs wabo yonke lonto leyo bezama ukuprova certain individuals right. South Africans, ndicela ningahoriswa ngenyoka ezifile right now. Baseza sihorisa, baseza sithembisa ngento abantu bazabanjwa. Nize ningahoxi. Inde gqit indlela esenihambile. I am very disappointed ebantwini abathe xa kuvela lento already bafuna ukuyisebenzisa against lento esibhizi ngayo. Ndizawufaka bafethu ileta apho kunama details we-family because even i-family bike discourage indaba ukuthi abantu babe misinformed. Bekhona nalapho ke ngoku i-family isithi icela khona izandla ingathi even i-account numbers zikhona kule leta ndizayifaka apha ekugqibeleni. Basezofuna bafethu into basiqhekeke, basezofuna ukusidivide singavumi. Yalani ngeziqhuzeni. I was very disappointed even ukudibana nabantu ababeke nini singekali nokulwa ke ngokuthina babelwela yona lento. Dadibana nabo sebesithi bazoprotectana nabantu bokufika. Ndathi njani? ukuthi kwabona at some stage babecula eliculo. Zeni ngavumi ngesizwe sokhokho benu South Africans. South Africa is not for sale. May Nhlamulo Soul rest in peace. Ebesesemncinci. Gqithi kakhulu futhi. Sengathi ifamily ingafumana indlela yokuthi ibophe amanxeba.
uNhlamulo ke guys akabulwanga indaba ye March and March bakuthiwa uligweja kathini. No, uma uNhlamulo ufunyenwe emzini womuntu ngumuntu womzi erobha umzi womuntu phakathi wabethwa ke allegedly ngumuntu womzi wasweleka kuclearishwa ngubani ku-Provincial Commissioner uMr Phathekile. So ke guys icela nisiyeke iEFF ke icela isimake iqhubeke iye kulo Nhlamulo ngokubantu uNhlamulo berobha umuntu bayothuthuzela njengoba beyi-enemy yethu nalamagweja afike singxolela apha xa kubule umuntu wase-South Africa bekade abule wangamntu mabohlukane nathi mana.
So amaphoyisa ase-Western Cape akhulumile ukuthi hayi le ntwana nomngani wakhe babebaganga kahle kahle. Hayi ngikhuluma into ekhuluma yamaphoyisa. Western Cape Police base bakhulumile ukuthi kahle kahle le ntwana nomngani wakhe babebaganga. Lento this thing yakhe yokustejwa has nothing to do with anti-illegal foreigner protest or march and march Phakile Mthakathi and you know a protest concerning illegal immigration in the country. There's nothing to do with that. Ibe a crime, a plain crime. Babe baganga umnikazi walomkhukhu ubatholile lapho nanan go and hear it for yourself. Khona lapho ku internet. Bebe nganga ngash. I did say, let us say, for example, that this matter was related somehow. Uguchi some abanye they found an opportunity to use ama match to commit crimes. Nakona imatch and match nabo Phakile and South Africans whatever abangeni ndawo ngoba these matches. The moral character of these matches is they are peaceful. Akushawa umuntu, akekho umuntu uzotshontshela, akekho umuntu, no one is gonna take a monies or stock of illegal foreigners. Bazotshela ukuthi hayi bafowethu iyane emakhaya and go and fix your own countries. But some of you were itching to make this thing xenophobia so that it can fit your narrative. You were so itching, some of you analysts, you were so itching that the death of this boy, the stabbing of this young man could be related to March and March and the protest. You were so itching so that it can fit your narrative. Shame on you. You don't want the truth. What you want is anything so that you can discredit in March and March, so that this movement can be looked in a bad way, so that this thing of saying people should go home and fix their own country can go away. Ngoba anifuni ukuthi abantu who are illegal here should go home because you want illegality in the country. Some of you are proposing these people should be documented. Documenting criminality. People who are in the country criminally so. Ladies and gentlemen, lentwana Nhlamulo ubekanga nomngani wakhe amaphoyisa asho kanjani. Ngiyacela ke ninama analyst nani. You were itching. You were so itching for this story to stick. Uchirwa yena kahle kahle. Lo sisi wase EFF. Uchirwa kahle kahle. We must have a petition or something. I don't know what's a legal thing to be done. She's a member of parliament and she was peddling lies. Uguti March and March is responsible for this. She must be held to the highest standard and accountability. Luachira lady of EFF. And I was surprised to even find that statement Zake from X. Zagachira. Umalema. actually retweeted that. How low will you stoop? How low shall you stoop? As a politician, as a member of parliament, sitting in significant committees, to push an agenda and a narrative that says, much and much, and the rest of South Africans are xenophobic. How low will you stoop to say this is a tribalism thing? How low will you stoop? Witness Mdaga. How low will you stoop? Are you going to apologize now? Since the police official have said, no, this death, lentwana bekanga lentwana. Some of you say, no, but Abazali, umama uteno, this way was xenophobic related. My question then, if Isumama is still sticking to that story, as it is alleged that she's sticking to that story, was she there? Has she investigated? Yeah, you are trying by all means to attach this thing, criminal, a clear-cut criminal thing, to discredit the legitimate marches of South Africans against illegal foreigners. You've tried your tribalistic things, Nyazama. You are actually dividing us as South Africans. You are trying, by the way. And I can see you're trying to even try to isolate Limpopo. Limpopo singing. No, they are coming to Limpopo. South Africa is one, and it shall be one, because we are one people. This is a struggle of all of us in the country. I saw a video of a couple of guys who are speaking paid. I'm a paid. They were chasing another truck. Hey, where are you coming from? Little guy. I think here in Mpumalanga somewhere. We coming from Nelspruit. Okay, there is a video that is trending. No, what about Samaya? Likase kelko dulamo. Agali tsebilo be shaka le bomang lena le passport. Samaya. Every South African has woken up. Ninabo witness Mdaga and company and those that think like you. Abo sandile swana. Nkale go tiniye get this thing ye no bafwait. Nyankela bagit. Ngoba analysis ye no reference ya corner, it's off the chart. You are even using lies and propaganda to substantiate your belief, Uguti. These matches are xenophobic because they are mostly been led by Zulus. You people with your nonsensical analysis, you are trying to divide the country. We will not be divided. We are one. This pain of illegal immigration, it is a South African pain.
Engithanda ukusho kini ma-patriots Jacinta ngobe sezuma ungizwe umchunu uphakela umthakathi nani nonke esingakanazi kodwa siyanibona imisebenzi yenu siyayibona patriots i-date seyisondele and isitha is trying by all means ukusidivide. Siyababona baphusha ama-narrative angekho, bazama ukusidivide, bazama ukusenza ngathi si-tribalistic and bazama ukuusa i-tribalism as a weapon formed against us. My comrades, let's not hold back. I-date izibekiwe, asiqhubekeni ngazo. Nakho bayazama ngestori sakaNhlamulo Sambo. Bazama ukwenza ngathi he was killed and murdered because he couldn't speak any other language besides Venda and Tsonga, which is not true. The story is being confirmed by police and a whole provincial commission. Nhlamulo was just a boy living his own life, affiliated with gangs, and he was killed doing what he does best. That is being confirmed as claim. I'm so disappointed with family who's on record lying, saying Nhlamulo was killed because of riots. Police have confirmed the riots that happened. Nhlamulo's death or murder has got nothing to do with that. Nhlamulo was committing crime in someone's shack. Unfortunately, the person came. Wambulala. The family, I'm so disappointed. Guys, how can you lie about this? How can you lie about this? We know like people are being paid. It says Sunday. The promos, content creators, they are being paid. On Twitter, people are posting about things they don't even know. Run their mouth diary, not even know. Guys, I will always stand for iqiniso, and I will make sure ukuthi angeke ngize ngistop until iqiniso lize livele. There is no Nhlamulo who's killed there because he's Tsonga. My fellow Tsonga people, my fellow Shangani people from Limpopo, we've got no problem against none. We've been living none for years and years. Abanye benisebenza nani, abanye benisifunda nani. Asinankinga nani. Asingavumi isitha separty EFF ukuthi like izos ngena phakathi separate isifide among. We have never hated you guys. Siyanthanda, we are one South Africa. And we are fighting for the South Africa yethu. Ingakho sithi izitha azihambe siclean our country. Asikaze saba nenkinga nani, asikaze angeke siqale manje. So my comrades, my patriots, let's not hold back. I30 seyisondele. Let's sing one song. Siqhubekeni siye phambili.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, yabona indaba kaNhlamulo indida yona ngoba asilazi kahle kahle iqiniso besingekho lapha ya. Kodwa ke amaphoyisa ngoba sewakhipha istatement sokuthi uNhlamulo ubulawe i-owner yomkhukhu la katholakale khona. So I think into ezoletha nje iclarity kuma South Africans is when kutholakala lo muntu lo obulala uNhlamulo aboshwe aye ku trial and then sithole lapho ukuthi kuze ambulala uNhlamulo bekambulalelani, bekwenze njani, bekubangwani. Cause okwamanje nje yabona lento eyenzakalayo eSouth Africa about tribalism, especially between Tsongas and Zulus like Limpopo and KZN. It's not right, guys. Sima South Africans sonke, and akusiwa ma abantu base Limpopo kuphela aba-dark in complexions. Uyawathola amaZulu uthola ukuthi adark, amaswati, abesuthu, amaXhosa. So nje good people, let's unite and fight for our country and fight our government together as one. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Tell us what do you think, and then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.